May it please the court, opposing counsel, members of the jury. My name is Amishi Ahmed, and I, along with my co-counsel, represent the defendant, Connie McLeod, in tonight's proceedings. Through the course of today's trial, you will hear one name time and time again: Robin Locksley. We ask that you listen closely for this individual and note how much of the testimony and evidence provided points towards Robin Locksley and not my client. But before I go any further, let me explain simply what happened. On the night of October 30th, someone broke into Ruffed Grouse High School. They dug through concrete flooring and uncovered a time capsule that was buried there back in 1905. And that is the extent of it. Since there is no written record of what was ever placed in this time capsule, no one knows what, if anything, was taken from it during the break-in. Over the years, many people have speculated that a necklace owned by my client's grandmother was placed in this time capsule. We know that this is not true because that necklace was given to my client, Connie McLeod, from her grandmother before they began college. Nothing more. This is the very same necklace that the police uncovered in my client's dorm room. So basically, the prosecution is charging my client with stealing a necklace that, one, was never in the time capsule, and second, has always belonged to her. So how did we get here today? Well, based off the suggestion of a person named Robin Locksley, there's that name again. The police searched my client's dorm room and found the necklace that my client's grandmother had given to her. Now, Robin had motive as to why they pointed the police towards my client. Robin held a grudge against Connie, which later transformed into a direct competition for a singular honor society spot. And by being in trial today, Miss Connie McLeod is no longer a candidate for this spot, but Robin Locksley is. The charge the prosecution is bringing against my client is grand larceny. This charge has 4 elements to it. 1, that my client took a necklace. 2nd, that the necklace was owned by someone else. 3rd, that the taking was unlawful. And 4th, that my client took the necklace with the intent to keep it from its owner. Now, the prosecution has the duty of proving all 4 of these elements beyond a reasonable doubt. Members of the jury, this is the highest burden in our legal system. Now, the prosecution just came up here and tried to spin a tale of ambition, jealousy, and theft, where in reality, Robin Locksley had that ambition. Robin Locksley was jealous, and Robin Locksley is the one who committed this theft. The prosecution is charging my client with stealing a necklace, but they cannot place my client at the crime scene, and they cannot place the necklace in the time capsule. Through today's proceedings, you will hear from 3 witnesses. First, you will hear from historian Mandy Montoya, who will confirm that no one can tell you what was really placed in that time capsule. She can only tell you that the necklace in question was owned by Connie's grandmother. She will also tell you about Robin's intense knowledge of the location of this time capsule. Next, you will hear from Pledge Master of an Honor Society, Ali Jarovich, who will confirm Miss Connie McLeod's whereabouts on the night in question, testifying under oath that they were nowhere near Ruffed Grouse High School. Lastly, you will hear from Connie McLeod herself. She will tell you about Robin's extensive knowledge of this time capsule and she will also confirm that the necklace in question was a gift from her grandma before she began college. Nothing more. At the conclusion of today's trial, my co-counsel, Mark Barbrack, will stand before you today and review the evidence presented. He will then respectfully ask that you return a verdict in favor of the defense, finding Miss Connie McLeod not guilty of grand larceny. Thank you.